let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Quickstep choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at same Quickstep choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take preparation step and start with natural turn with hesitation. Notice man's heel pull, then Rumba cross with pivot and spin ending. Continued with progressive chasse, which is very basic figure, then forward walk and quick open reverse turn, and quarter turn to left to wing position, cross swivel and then step outside forward, check back into Tipple chasse to right and lock step ending. Very good, let's look once again. So we start diagonally into corner with preparation step and dance natural turn with hesitation into corner. Continue with a Rumba cross and pivot and spin around corner. Then progressive chasse diagonally to center. In same direction we move quick open reverse turn. Then down line of dance, quarter turn to left to wing position, cross swivel, and forward step diagonally to center against line of dance, and Tipple chasse and lock step diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.